What a beautiful SAT math problem. Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to solve this nice SAT math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then write your answers in the comments below. After that, come back here and compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? The question says if 4 times square root of a equals 9 times cube root of b, find the value of x, where a equals 2 over 3 and a to the power of x equals b. To start the solution, I'm going to use this square root of a and cube root of b. As you know, square root of a equals what? Can you help me? Right. Square root of a equals a to the power of 1 over 2, and cube root of b. What is cube root of b? Right, cube root of b equals a to the power of 1 over 3. Now let's rewrite the question. The question says 4, let me write it, times square root of a or a to the power of 1 over 2 equals 9 times cube root of b or a to the power of 1 over 3. Now, to continue the solution, let's use this important information in the question that says a equals 2 over 3. So I'm going to put this number in this expression. A equals 2 over 3. Let me write it. 4 times 2 over 3 to the power of 1 over 2 equals 9 times b to the power of 3. To continue the solution, we need to isolate the b. To isolate the b, let's divide both sides by the coefficient of the b to the power of 1 over 3. So let's divide by 9, this 9 cancel off. It's going to be 4 over 9 times 2 over 3 to the power of 1 over 2 equals b to the power of 1 over 3. Now, as you know, 4 equals 2 to the power of 2. 9 equals 3 to the power of 2. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2 over 3 to the power of 2 times 2 over 3 to the power of 1 over 2 equals b to the power of 1 over 3. Can you help me to continue the solution? To continue the solution, I'm going to use an exponential rule that says this rule. Look, a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Multiplication with same base, different exponent. Write the base and add the exponent. It's going to be a to the power of m plus n. So 2 over 3 to the power of 2 times 2 over 3 to the power of 1 over 2 is going to be same base, right? A base, 2 over 3, 2 plus 1 over 2. 2 is same as 4 over 2. 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is going to be 5 over 2. 5 over 2. So 2 over 3 to the power of 5 over 2 equals b to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, we need this. Until here, good job. We did it well. Let me erase this part to continue the solution. Now, Here we have 2 over 3 raised to the power of 5 over 2 equals b to the power of 1 over 3. How can we continue the solution? Now this is your turn. Tell me, to find the value of b, what should we do? Left side, we have 5 over 2 as exponent. Right side, we have 1 over 3 as exponent. So to find the b, it is enough we raise both sides to the power of 3, because 1 over 3 times 3 equals 1, and b to the power of 1 equals b, right? So let me raise both sides to the power of 3. It's going to be 2 over 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals b to the power of 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3. But what is the next step? Again, let me erase this part to continue the solution. Okay. We have 2 over 3 to the power of 5 over 2 raised to the power of 2. To continue the solution, I'm going to get help from next exponential rule, that is called power to power. That says a to the power of m raised to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. So 2 over 3 to the power of 5 over 2 raised to the power of 3 is same as 2 over 3 to the power of 5 over 2 times 3, and b to the power of 1 over 3 times 3. So next step, 2 over 3 to the power of 5 over 2 times 3. 5 over 2 times 3 equals 5 times 3, 15 over 2. It's going to be 2 over 3 raised to the power of 15 over 2. And right side, b to the power of 1 over 3 times 3 equals 3 over 3, or 1. b to the power of 1 equals b. Now, we are going to find the value of b, and b equals 2 over 3 to the power of 15 over 2. As you know, 15 over 2 is same as 7.5. So we can find the answer in the options. Exactly option A, 5 over 7.5 is the correct answer. But before I say goodbye, let me ask you one more time. If you use different way to solve this question, let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.